Ah, may restroom dito. Welcome to LaGuardia. Ang ganda. Wow. Perfect. Susunduin namin si Brie and Mariel. Oh, pwede pala matulog dito eh. Hello. Welcome to Terminal B of LaGuardia Airport. Ganda oh. Welcome to LaGuardia Airport. Nice. It's big. Ikaw, grandma, pinahirapan mo kami. Terminal C ka pala ha. Sabi kami nagpunta. Nakalagay dun, B. Welcome to Terminal C. Nice. LaGuardia. Huh? The most awarded, most ano daw tawag dito? Most beautiful airport. Hindi ko alam. Nice. Perfect. Where's Grandma? Delta. Maglinis. Linisin mo yung alikabok. Kaya nga eh, ba't ganun? Hindi naman tayo napunta dyan. Ayun o, Delta. Naliligaw na kami mga kaibigan. Laga na matis. Hi, Emery! You become bigger.
Oh, no, gusto pa matis.
Kiss mommy, Tess. Dali. How about me, Brie? How about me? Come here. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Got bigger and taller.
No. Tataob ka.
What are you doing? Brie, what are you doing? How is your flight, Brie? Finish line? Where's the finish line? Ang unang nilapitan ni Brie si Eddie. Dinid ma si Mama Tess. Tsaka ako. Ako pick up sa'yo. I cannot help you. You can do it yourself. Welcome to New York City. Eh, man, malamig ba? Dito mainit ha, paglabas malamig. Nang? We're slow, I'm sorry. No, you're fast. You're so fast. Slow down. Slow down. I'm just right behind you. I'm just right behind you. Do you know where to go? Oh, Allah. Allah. Hi. We're the fastest? Yes, I am the slowest. Because I'm old. I'm the slowest because I'm old. I'm 100 years old. And you? I'm not 5 anymore. When did you become 6?
Because my friends are 6 too. Named Samaya. She's not following the rules.
Go ahead. Over here. We're going to the car. Why? Why daw? Why daw, sabi? Ray,
do you like the Jollibee? Huh? Hey, I'm talking to you. Do you want Jollibee?
baka may sasakyan dyan. Brain! No. Come here. Maybe there's a car in the middle, so stay close with Tito Eddie. Oh, Daddy Eddie. Stay close to Daddy Eddie. Huh?
Daddy Allison.
I'm Daddy Allison and he's Daddy Eddie.
You're Allison.
Yeah, Daddy Allison.
Si Brie nasa Jollibee. Stop muna tayo. Doon tayo. Uy, sandali. May sauce na siya. Sauce mayo. Pasok mo. What is it, Brie? Do you like it? Did you say thank you to Mommy Tess? It will not fit your feet. It's nice. I like it. Hello, Brie. Hi.
So naalala niyo yung Jollibee?
Welcome to Red Ribbon. Taba-taba. Talaga, test board. Pwede mo bilan si Brie ng ewan ko kung anong cake. Ano yan?
Cheese.
Cheese mamon? Ah, okay. Ito mga brownies. Ayaw mo? Mga brownies. Ayaw niya yan? Hindi niya yan type? Pila ka na sa kanya. Eh, yung mga cake, ang sasarap mo. Nagbibenta rin sila ng slices, nagbibenta rin sila. Ang madalas namin in-order lang dito. Halo-halo at saka yung mga empanada. Masarap. May halo-halo si Em. Ayun. Halo-halo. What did you saw? You saw what? Squirrel. Nilalamig ka na? I thought you're gonna follow me. You're just following my shadows. Oh, over here.
What shadows?
Hey, where's the squirrel? Sa Queen's Museum tayo. Winter kasi kaya wala masyadong tao. Pero pag summer, may tubig dyan, naglalaro yung mga bata. Naliligo sila sa gitna. I ran faster than you. Oh, tama na. Stop. Over here. We'll take some pictures.
Can you picture me?
Yeah, of course. See? I'm filming you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Can
I like
see?
that pose.
Can I see?
Sure. Bree, pose na Bree. Okay, okay lang. Matis yung ano lang yung picture mo yung tama. Si Matis mahilig ganun. Si Ima, ano pa na si Ima? Ganun naman.
Ganun.
Oo, ganyan. Ayan na, dali lang. Malamig. Bri, I wanna see your pose. Where's Bree? I don't see Bree. Where are you? What's going on?
Kasi nag-try siya i-grab yan sa Florida. Gumanon yung fear. Parang,
Pag sa Pilipinas sila, ulamin sila doon.
sabi ni Adam sa Florida, wala kang hindi ako trabaho. Kasi hindi naman ginagawa ng ganito pag Sorry, hindi pala siya nakakapanood. Hindi siya nakakaano ng damit.
Hindi kasi ano lang yan. Manipis yan.
Kailangan mo yung leather.
Kailangan yung snow gloves. Look at you, Bree. I'm filming you.
Itchy na din.
Why do you think ang lana sa loob ng
So cold. Oo nga, sana may mag-iwan ng cart. Ito tayo. Ah! Dito na sila. Hello, welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Kung malakasan yung malita nyo, pang isang taon yata yun. Usog lang tayo dito. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Go ahead. Welcome to New York.
Hello, Kuya.
Hello, Ira. Andito si Kedi mo. Dito ka pumila. Hello, Joe. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to the land of the free.
Oh, my friend.
Hey, what?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Okay, you too, sir.
Hindi, kakadating lang namin. Magkasunod lang tayo. Ako nang bahala.